Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here at ICP, double checking a couple of things. We're really just going to check out some liquidity levels. We're going to update our fib levels too and kind of see roughly what that looks like because those are important factors here. So if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Hope you learned something today. Obviously, cryptocash.tech is a site link down below if you're curious about becoming a better trader. We do have some really nice trade signals though. Keep this in mind too. Awesome results here from Rune. Good 14% there from a short we took recently. Caspa long 20%. And Bitcoin 28%. A lot of those targets are hitting within less than 24 hours for swing trades alone. That doesn't even factor in the day trades that we have that are hitting all sorts of stuff. All sorts of targets on the way down with very few stop losses. And again, folks, if you're day trading, please understand it's really, really normal to take small stop losses along the way. Very, very, very standard. In fact, really good traders are usually about 65, 70% trading, and they just have really good risk tolerance. Okay, so again, heads up on that. So let's talk about risk tolerance here. Let's go ahead and quickly just pull up the fibs for the most recent time frame, most recent low to the most recent high, and we're going to look at that. And then quickly to note, back in data, this low $14 mark I talked about earlier pretty much got swept here. Now again, it's not complete. There's still a little bit there at about 1389, 1390. So we could see the price pull back a little bit further. I'm hoping we do so we can get an average entry into our long position with ICP. Yes, we do have a long position, and I'm confident we're going to be able to honor this descending trend and continue to recover from here. So if we take a look quickly here though, let's go ahead and double check the daily time frame and work our way down. Just kind of note just some really basic stuff here. Okay, so again, we are now under the 50-day SMA. I mentioned that earlier today in my previous analysis, and we're essentially below the 20-day SMA too. So we spent about 24 hours above that level. Everything looks great, and instant wipe. Okay, again, so that strength can instantly disappear in the market right now that we're in, with Bitcoin having some significant pullback. We saw a pullback from 67,000 to 65,000 in under 24 hours. So that's pretty common nowadays, folks. Just get used to that. It's kind of normal. Everything here is fairly bearish, so we're starting to see that shift in momentum. Under 50 in the RSI, stochastic swinging down. MACD about to diverge here. Okay, well, we're a little ways away, but generally speaking, the momentum shift has occurred on the daily. Okay, now we've known this for a little while though. We looked at this earlier, this descending trend that we're starting to see here. Still honoring this descending trend, we have this basically considered to be a rising wedge, or sorry, descending wedge rather. Those typically break to the upside. It did break to the upside, however, we instantly sold off because Bitcoin. Please understand that the best TA on a altcoin means very little if Bitcoin decides it wants to dump that quick. I mean, take a look at what our Twitter here, you can see a post, what, $1.14 billion in 15 minutes that was sold on one exchange by itself. Okay, so tons and tons of liquidation occurs because Bitcoin just decides to have a bad day. All right, so again, there's a lot of reasons for that. You know, we had some earning report, I think, for Meta, and then of course just a rejection off 67,000. That all factors in. Anyways, we're below 50 in the RSI. Key takeaway here is that we're truly bearish on this coin based on the daily, the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame. Now we do have an increased amount of volume. We also have the average here effectively with the 50-day SMA swinging up. We've also got 0.5 fib level here holding as a potential champion for the price action pulling back. So what I'm getting at here is these key fib levels are important entry targets if you're considering a long. Okay, so again, 1390, that's right below that level liquidation. It'd be a good place to consider getting in. And then of course this 0.618 fib level at 1330. This is really a common characteristical support range just below 0.618. So I'm confident that level will hold. Heaven forbid the price comes down a little bit further. Should be able to recover from there. Okay, so again, we got some resistance, previous resistance, turn support. We're going to go ahead and pull that out there. Last but not least, we can confirm here all coins look like this right now. Fairly bearish. We got the price action below the cloud. Lagging span is now free and clear. The conversion line is below the baseline. So those are basically every sign that you want to see if you're shorting. You leave your shorts open if you're considering a long. Maybe consider dollar cost averaging. I'm confident we'll see a bounce in the 1390 as low as just say 1325. That's somewhat of a wide range, but those are the two areas that are typically going to give us the best support. Okay, so those are some things to kind of think about there. I do want to say thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and follow if you haven't already. Deeply appreciate that. We'll look forward to seeing the next one. Thanks again for watching. Hope you have a good one. Take care. Thank you.